Hey there! Welcome to the channel. Have you found yourself logged into Mobile Legends on too many devices and wondering how to streamline it into just one click? If so, I've got you covered. Let's dive into how you can log out or remove Mobile Legends from all devices with ease. To begin, open the Mobile Legends app. Allow a few seconds for the game to load. Next, tap on the account picture icon located at the top left corner. Now, navigate to the account option at the bottom of the left menu bar. After that, proceed by tapping on Account Center from the right menu bar. Then, select Device Management. Here, you'll find a list displaying the devices you're logged into. Now, tap on Log Out All, located at the bottom right corner. Confirm your action by tapping on Confirm. That's it! So folks, that's how you can efficiently log out or remove Mobile Legends from all devices. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next video.